Now that we have a picture of our keyboard so we can put the keys back in the right places, we need a small flathead screwdriver, like this one. So what we're going to do is one by one, we're going to gently pry the key up, just like this, just like that. See? We didn't break it. There we go. That's the 0 keypad key. We're going to do that one by one for the whole keyboard. Now that we have all the keys out and we've cleaned the inside of the keyboard, it's time to wash the individual keys. You can do this with a soapy scrubber and warm water. Be sure to dry out the keys before putting them back in the keyboard. With the clean keyboard plugged into the computer, we're ready to go. Goodbye.